Welcome to our channel. Monitoring your home network for unauthorized access and potential intruders helps protect your personal data and ensures only trusted devices connect to your network. Step 1. Access your router's admin interface by typing your router's IP address into a web browser, typically 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Step 2. Review the list of connected devices in your router's interface to see what's currently on your network and identify any unfamiliar devices. Step 3. Change your router's default admin password immediately if you haven't already, as default credentials are widely known and represent a major security vulnerability. Step 4. Enable MAC address filtering on your router to allow only specific devices you've approved to connect to your network. Step 5. Install network monitoring software like Fing, Angry IP Scanner, or Wireshark to scan your network and identify all connected devices with detailed information. Step 6. Set up alerts in your network monitoring tools to notify you when new devices join your network or when suspicious activity is detected. Step 7. Check your router logs regularly for unusual connection attempts, failed login attempts, or strange traffic patterns that might indicate intrusion attempts. Step 8. Disable WPS on your router, as this feature has known security vulnerabilities that make it easier for attackers to crack your network password. Step 9. Update your router's firmware regularly to patch security vulnerabilities and ensure you have the latest protection features. Step 10. Consider setting up a guest network for visitors and IoT devices to isolate them from your main network where sensitive devices like computers are connected. Your home network is now being monitored for suspicious activity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.